Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make soft gummy candy. First, gather your ingredients. You will need unflavored gelatin, which is key for that perfect chew. Granulated sugar and corn syrup provide sweetness and a smooth texture. Don't forget your favorite flavor extract and food coloring for vibrant hues. Finally, a little citric acid will give your gummies a delightful tangy finish. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's get mixing. In a small bowl, combine 4 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin with 1/2 cup of cold water and let it bloom for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, in a saucepan, gently heat 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of corn syrup, and 1/2 cup of water. Once the sugar dissolves, add your bloomed gelatin to the warm mixture, stirring constantly until it's completely melted and smooth. This ensures a consistent gummy texture. With your base mixture ready, it's time to add some personality. Remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of your favorite flavor extract, like cherry or orange. Add a few drops of food coloring to achieve vibrant hues. For that extra zing, mix in 1/2 teaspoon of citric acid. Now, carefully pour the warm liquid into your silicone molds. Work quickly, as the mixture will begin to set as it cools. The final step is the easiest: chilling. Place your filled molds into the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours, or until the gummies are completely firm to the touch. Once set, gently pop them out of their silicone molds. You'll be amazed at their soft, chewy texture. Store your delicious homemade gummy candies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. Now, go ahead and enjoy your delightful, custom-made treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.